Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing the all-new Sony Theater System 6. This home theater system comes with a 5.1 channel surround sound setup, featuring Dolby Atmos DTS:X and Sony's S-Force Pro front surround technology, delivering an immersive cinema-like audio experience right in your living room. The system also includes a Bluetooth AV receiver. Now, let's open the box and take a closer look at everything that's included. Sony have provided HDMI cable, 2 power adapters, it's for subwoofer and wireless receiver. Making it easy to connect your smartphone, TV, or other compatible devices wirelessly. What really caught my attention is the premium design of the rear speakers, the sleek soundbar, and the powerful 1000-watt subwoofer. Together, they promise deep bass, crystal clear dialogue, and an impressive surround sound experience. We'll check out the accessories. Speaker setup, build quality, and my first impressions.